Hey y'all, I'm actually trying to use y'all a little more often because I'm living in the South. But anyways, we're here. It's a big day. We are about to get started on our next big renovation project. But before we even get into that, I want to kind of catch you up on one of our older projects. Not that old, our last project that we did together. It wasn't a really big flip. It wasn't this, go in there and just get in there and gut it all out. But it gave us a chance to, work together again and really just kind of do our thing and get in there and do something really quick and knock it out and keep on moving. So before we get into this project that we just pulled up to, that we're starting today, let's go ahead and we'll just show you a little bit about this last project that we did. It was a mini flip. We went in, and there's still a lot that goes into these kind of things. Beforehand, Abbasi acquired the deal through his network and did all the real estate sort of things in order to get everything going. And after we get a deal or find a deal, we have to make sure that it's a deal. And that's where Nicole comes in. She really gets in there and makes sure that the numbers work. There's a lot of times that something might look decent, but then after you add in the lender's fees and the, construction holding costs, all these kind of things, it ends up not being the best deal in the world. So we have to go in there and make sure that happens before we even decide whether to take the deal or not. Also, on the back end, we're doing a lot of it, getting insurance and talking to the lenders and making sure that everything's lined up for the closing and all these kind of things before we even get in there. But when we finally did get in there, we went in and we just had to make some minor changes, minor adjustments, painting some doors, touching up some things. And unfortunately, the girls did not get a chance to do a lot of their, flex their design muscles, which is something that they really enjoy doing on this one. But they had some say in the stagers. We had some stagers come in and they gave them direction on kind of what we wanted on it, and in order to be able to make the most out of this property. And these stagers do a really good job, as you can see by the pictures that are probably coming up as I'm talking about this project. So we went in, Boss did all the real estate stuff at the beginning. We all kind of came in and worked together and just kind of got everything touched up and ready to go and ready to really turn and burn. And at the end, we got multiple offers. Everything went really fast, went really well. And Abbasi went in, came back in, and did the real estate stuff for the closing. So this project was a very minimal one, but I wanted to make a note of it before we dive into this next big project, which is going to be most likely like a full gut sort of scenario. And we'll catch you up on that here in just a minute. So anyways, hopefully enjoy this first one, and we'll move on to the next one from here.